So the old blades are back on the FT-1000s. Here they are. The gray ones, the 2.5 meters diameter, the 2.8 diameter blades, which are, I mean, they are literally like 10 centimeter difference, not more, but still. I made also the tail fix. You see, now it will not be furling anymore. I removed the extra weight from the end of the tail, right? So no additional bolts. Still, it's longer anyways. I don't care. But here I added some kind of like very simple thing. Like they are the stoppers, and I use just like the standard mounting places, like that uses the standard bolts that were used for like using the rubber pad that was here. And that's it. That's it. It will just like stay like this, and I will see how it behaves. So let me tilt it up and show you how everything works. Again, live. Let's do it live. So I have this electric towing machine, and let's do this. Okay, so up and down, very simple, and you can just like watch how it goes. I mean, I have to adjust the wire guides because they will destroy my small bush. So let me do this, and then it will not have any troubles. And here also let me check so it doesn't damage anything, so it goes nicely and doesn't actually do any damage to anything. And let's continue. That's a good thing that the electric towing motor, I mean, it has the stopper inside because like the magnetic field stops it and takes it. So that's literally how it goes, how it works. Almost there. And there. Fully ready. So, what next? Like tightening the ropes. Normally I just like need two hands for this because you see that's the trouble, that why I need two hands, because this wire has to be guided properly once it's tilting up. But in this case I just wanted to do the video, so that's why it was a little bit like hard move. But still, I mean, I will just like reapply it later on. And yeah, so before letting the wind turbine go, of course it stopped. I mean, it's on a parking brake, right? But before releasing it to go, I will have to screw the bolts there where the folding part is, to make it tighten, like just like some very standard bolts, like nothing specific, and to tighten the cables there, and to remove this one to the wire guide to connect it and to make it fully secure, and then I will let it go. So give me some time, I will do this and we'll let it go and fly. So everything is fixed, everything is tightened. I let it go, and I mean, doing this not that crazy because the smallest one even doesn't even start. It means it's like 3.2 meters per second. That's from what I already know. Let's go and check what's on the controller. And here is the controller side, and I mean, it already is over some 22 volts when it's required. That is required to actually get some charge started. And this controller is a good one, definitely good one. Boost controller for the smaller 48 volt wind turbines up to, I would say, 3 meters in diameter. Don't look for anything better. This one is definitely good. It will get you as much power as it can, because, well, the wind is nothing, absolutely nothing, somewhere between 2 and 3, and it already produces. That's ridiculous, but it goes. I mean, and that's what I like about it. I actually Don't see any issues yet so far. So let me see how does it behave on a stronger winds, and then I will tell you for sure if the fixed tail actually works. Somebody told me, I remember that that smaller orange controller has troubles because once you reach over 600 watts, it will start dump loading. That is not true. I have seen 1.4 kilowatt on it, but I haven't shown you, haven't showed it to you anywhere on the video. So I will specifically do this later on, so you will be able to see that yes, it can, and it can shoot way over 1 kilowatt and even way over 1.5, because I believe that the fixed tail will make this turbine fly. Just you wait for some time, and we will see it all, because I cannot manage the wind. I cannot blow instead of wind. So we just have to wait once it's heavy enough to see some production. Right. So thanks for now, and let's observe how it behaves later.